If you want to grow a channel in 2018, then I've got a special announcement for you. Special announcement.
Hello, I'm Ryan, broadcasting live-ish from Crimson Studios, your top source for social media news and how it can affect you, told in the least serious way I can muster. Today's top story: former Kramer lookalike and current YouTube marketing expert Brian G-Spot Johnson is set to release his most in-depth video yet on how you can amplify your message to heights never seen before in a video titled "A Video for Smart People." Brian. Sweet, sweet Brian. You know this is YouTube, right? Where we watch people eat Tide Pods for entertainment and clearly perverted content is promoted as children's videos. We're not exactly the most scholarly crowd. And Brian Johnson, your last name is a euphemism for my Johnson. Look, I just made a weenie joke. Not smart. All jokes aside, Brian has had an impact on thousands of YouTubers, including me, helping me to make my channel flourish. Recently, I had a video hit 12,000 views in a day using Brian G. Johnson's strategies. So you better have your notifications on to see this video because it could help you and your content more than you could ever imagine. Remember, I'm Ryan.
So there you have it, but I must warn you, the video I'm publishing on Thursday, the 15th of February is packed. In fact, it's 19 minutes long. And the video isn't based on a tip or something you do one time. It's based on a 3-phase system that you can use to really catapult the growth of your channel. And the power comes in applying all 3 phases. So make sure you watch the video in its entirety. And if you're a subscriber, you frickin' rock. Thank you so much for watching, commenting, and just hanging out on the channel. And if you dig the video when it goes live on Thursday, consider sharing. And if it's past February 15th, heck, just watch the video, it's right there. And thanks to Ryan from Crimson Studios, well done. I'll see you next time.